Why does everything just tries to mess up when I'm trying to record? I'm sorry, did you guys hear that? What's up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges that pay off while currently on a low income and a single mom of three. Okay. One, two, three. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Go ahead and join the Shmoney team because we lit. We over here getting our Shmoney together, baby. Okay. So as you can tell, this is a little bit different than a cash stuffing or budgeting video. This video is part of the I Am movement. The I Am movement is a community of support, encouragement, empowerment, healing, and enlightenment. Shout out to Free to Fly Budgeting for starting the I Am movement and also inviting me to participate. My part of the movement is beauty, because y'all know sis be making wigs. I like doing braids. I color my own hair. I do nails, makeup, everything. I do plan on bringing you guys more than just nails, but it just so happens sis broke a nail while I was at work today, and I said, what better day to record a video for the I Am movement? So again, remember, this is a community of support, encouragement, empowerment, healing, and enlightenment. So whatever you take from this, you take from this. I just want to show people that beauty is a part of my life. I love beauty. Beauty has really helped me with my mental health issues. Beauty has also saved me a lot of money within my budget. Beauty has allowed me to be able to do my own nails, my own hair, and also create side hustles from doing these things. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you guys, as you can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to show you guys how to do nail art, a cloud nail art. Now this nail art is super simple, and let's talk about some of the things that we will need. So of course you're going to need press on nail. I've already applied a base coat, and I also applied a light blue color, because what better color to use to do clouds. Then we're also going to use like a little palette like this. Okay, we're going to take some white gel polish, and we're just going to put some white gel polish, like just, you know, zib. We're going to zab it on there. I am also going to use a dotting tool. So you see how this has this little thing at the end? This is considered a dotting tool. And we are also going to use a brush. This is, I actually got this brush from the arts and crafts store. So you see how it's kind of like flat or whatever, and then it's a little feathered out. I don't know if you guys can see it, if I'm too close or if it's in focus, but it's a little feathered out towards the end. And then we also are going to use, we're going to need like some little napkins or paper towels. So I just have like some regular paper towels just to wipe, you know, the brushes off as they are being used, as they're being cleaned. And then I also have a little bit of alcohol in a cup like this. So I'm actually going to start with the thumb, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. So I usually take the end of the dotting tool like this, dip it in there, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this cloud here. So I'll put a dot here, and then maybe another dot next to it. And as you feel like you need more paint, you go with it. So I kind of like make the dots like, I want to say kind of like a pyramid shape like that, you see? And then I'm going to go ahead and do that again, like here. And then I'll do one again at the bottom. And your dots should be fairly close together. Okay, so then this is where the fun part comes. So then we take this brush and we just kind of drag it down in a little tapping motion drag it down, and tap, tap, tap. Drag it down and do the same with the others until it literally looks like a cloud. And you can tap it. And let me tell you something, when you're doing nail art, don't be too hard on yourself for it to look perfect, because at the end of the day, it's going to balance itself out, okay? And then I take the excess that's left on the brush, and then I may just like dab in between like that, and then maybe take a little excess from here and then dab like over here at the top. Take a little excess from here, then dab at the bottom, like so. And y'all, thank you for not judging me and my nails. I know they look a hot mess, okay? It's been working, okay? So we're gonna make the dots and put them kind of close together like so, and kind of like in a pyramid shape. That's the best way I can describe it. And it does not have to be perfect. Okay. Then we're going to go back in with our brush, and we're going to slightly kind of like, we're going to drag, and it's a drag and then tapping. It's drag and tap. You know, and clouds are not perfectly formed, so it does not have to be perfect. Let's do the same thing with the other clouds. Drag it over. Okay. Same thing at the bottom. Drag it over. And then we're using the excess to create some, you know, little cloud. Like little cloud. I don't even know what to call that, but that's making it look cloudy, okay? And I just want to show you guys the difference really quickly. You see how there's a difference in the size on these dotting tools. This one's slightly bigger and this was smaller. So I'm going to take my smaller dotting tool and I'm going to go in and I'm just going to put a couple of small dots like so. You see that? I'm going to do that also on just randomly. It doesn't have to be perfect. And here. Okay. And so after that, we're going to go back to the larger dotting tool. And we're going to put one big dot, either one or two, depending on how large the nail is. So this pinky is going to be one large dot. This one we can put a large one. Well, I don't want it to be the same. We could put that one up there, and then we can put one like here. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the larger dots in just a second. So I'll put a larger dot here, smack dab in the middle, and then maybe another one over here. Okay, so we're going to do that. And then we're going to take a very thin brush like this. So I'm just cleaning the brush off because I feel like there's still some black residue from the last time. You see, from the last time I did my nails, I should have did a better job of cleaning my brushes, but I think I had ran out of paper towels. So we're just dipping this in the alcohol, and then we're just making sure that we're caring for our brush not to, let me tell you guys a trick, I mean not a trick, but a tip too. Don't jam your brush down into the bottom of the cup and like bend the bristles up. That messes up the brush. So you're just going to dip like this without it even touching the bottom of the alcohol or the bottom of the jar, and then we're just going to wipe it clean. The large dot, guys, I need to be putting my glasses on for this, and I don't know if I haven't shared with you guys. So I went to go get I went and I had an eye doctor. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know this, but I went to the eye doctor and I can't see, y'all. My vision is a hot mess, okay? I don't even know what the prescription is, but I just call it a hot mess, okay? But y'all see how I took that dot and I kind of like made a little star with it. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm sorry, give me a second, guys. I have to put on my little glasses that I have because I can barely see. I'm not even about to hold you. I can't see, y'all. But yeah, I can see this a lot better now, and I hope you guys are catching this and seeing this. So the large dot, just take and make a little line going up, a line going down, a line going to the side, and another line. And you see how that just looks so cute, right? Curates. Some people give you a time frame. I ain't all that good with time frames. We cure it till we think it's dry, okay? I think I had mentioned that in the last video. Please don't come for me, y'all. I know I'm not the most professional. I am not a professional, but baby, we be getting these nails together, okay? I get compliments every time, everywhere. Oh, where you get your nails done? The Studio de la Queenbudgetz, okay? We do the nails in the studio, okay? We do them ourselves. Period. We do the Cabbage Patch while we waiting for the nails to cure. Okay? Y'all, I just been real happy with life lately, ever since I started my new job. So excuse the extraness, because I know I'm already extra, and I be talking a lot, and I be talking fast, and I be doing the most. But that's part of my personality. So if you rock with Queen Budgetz, then you already know sis just be, off the muscle a little bit. But, that's why a lot of people love me, because I just do me and I just be me. And, that's the best that I could do is me. You know what I'm saying? But, while we waiting for the cure, you know what I'm saying? We could just vibe out real quick. Good vibes. Good vibes only. That's all we do on this channel. Vibe out in a good way, okay? Period. Did y'all know this period is one of my favorite words? Period. Girl, you doing a good job. You doing a good job. Girl, you doing a good job. A good job. Now, when you dip into this, don't dip, dip, baby, dip, baby. You got to dip. You got to bring it up, okay? You see that long string right there? We don't want gel slinging all around. So what I usually do is I give it a couple of spins like this, so that the gel can figure out what it want to do, because it be wanting to drip all over the place. And then I sit there and I, just like that, bow. You know what I'm saying? Twist, a flick of the wrist, like that. So then I take and I just do it just like I'm polishing, maybe like a clear top coat or something. And we want to do thin. We don't want to do thick, because if it's too thick, it's not going to cure correctly, and we're going to have some smudgy looking nails, and we can't do the smudge, okay? We can't do the smudge. So we just smooth that out. Smooth it out. Make it look real professional. Don't come for me unless I send for you, okay? Make sure you get cap that I don't know what they call it, the nail sacks, but make sure you get the little edges or whatever. Like so, period. And then we're gonna put that down right there. We're gonna push that up underneath of there. And we're gonna cure. We're gonna cure that for about 30, 40 seconds. You know what I'm saying? While we doing that, you can sit there, you could twiddle your thumbs, or you could be prepping the other nails. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do these off camera. I just wanted to show you guys, come to y'all, with the good nail art video. We gonna top coat it, baby. We gonna top coat it, okay? I know my nails look a mess, y'all, but when I put these on, I'm gonna be killing the game, okay? So we just remember how I was telling you about the baby nail and dip, baby dip? Look at that just a little bit on there. You don't want to flood the nail. And then sometimes, let me show y'all something. Y'all see that nail polish trying to drip down? It's probably not in focus, but do y'all see that gel polish trying to drip down and make a mess? Be aware of the gel trying to drip down and just sabotage you, okay? So you're going to take the gel and you're going to just hit it up like you're doing, any regular polish or whatever. You don't want it too thick. You want to still work with thin layers. And then you do the same thing. You might want to dip. Make sure that you are like tapping your brush. Let me show y'all. Make sure that you, when you dip, make sure you are tapping your brush on the side, getting that excess off. Okay? And then you just gonna, don't start all the way up at the top where the cuticle part is. Start kind of like in the middle. Make sure you get all the way on the sides. And on the other side. Because maybe your top coat is what's going to make it look shiny. And your top coat is what holds your design. Make sure you get the little edge right there. And we're going to do the same thing. Now, this is a thumb. So, when we dip, baby, dip, we're going to dip a little bit more. We ain't going to go crazy with it. We still going to hit it up on the side. And we're going to start like towards the middle. And we swipe down. Bam. 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 Just like that. Like, bam. 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 Slide that back under there. Now, I know the other two nails I did not top coat because I'm trying to debate, do I want to do some little nail art, something different on it, but I think I'm just going to leave it plain. Somebody's calling me on my second phone since I decided to cut my main phone off. I hear my second phone ringing. But let me cut this off real quick. Sis is fabulous with the nails. So that's all I'm worrying about. So last step. Now, I don't have to do this step with the top coat that I do have. But I want to let you guys know this because all top coats are not like the one I have. The one I have is a no wipe top coat. But you may get a top coat where it is, you know, you have to like wipe it. So you take like a little lint-free wipe like this. I just got a paper towel and you dip it in a little bit of alcohol. And what you do is you just rub over each nail with the alcohol like this. And then you ready, Freddy. You ready for ready. But y'all, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, purple heart emoji me up, baby. Let me show y'all. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for being there during my times of absences while I've gone back to work. But if you have not hit the subscribe button, baby, what is you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification so you could join the Shmoney team and be like us, getting our Shmoney together, baby. And also tapping in for the I Am movement and letting me show you guys some of my beauty techniques. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I know my nails was a hot mess on this video, but we about to get real sexy real quick. And until next time, y'all keep on budgeting, saving that money, empowering each other, uplifting each other, encouraging each other, because without each other, what would we be? Nothing. See y'all.